Wow. Is that sausage gravy?
Yep. Everyday sausage. The one you made the other day when you butchered.
Ooh, I'm hungry for it. What else we got? What else we got?
Fried potatoes. I use leftover mashed potatoes for fried. Nah, never mind. I must have done this. I use mashed potatoes, and I use potato patties recipes in a whole pan.
Ooh.
Then I will put, when I'm done frying, then I will put onion, mushrooms in it, onion and mushrooms in. Then I will put eggs on top.
You're gonna make it crispy? Crispy the way I like it?
Yeah. And I will make popcorn.
What is farmhouse? What is farmhouse?
Leftover pig slop.
What? Looks delicious. I'm hungry. Hey, can I kiss the cook?
What?
Can I kiss the cook?
Sure.
Mmm.
Mmm.